Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. You will see how to make traditional Turkish kokorec in this video. Ingredients for making lamb kokorec: 100 meter small intestine of lamb, sold here by meter. The fatty part of the intestine, known as a lamb or mumbar. Rock salt. 1 meter long and thick steel skewer. Oak wood or oak charcoal is used for cooking. Adding rock salt and water to the container. These lamb intestines have been washed 2 times and will now be washed 2 or 3 times more. In some regions, it is kept in milk to whiten and soften. During the washing process, water is pressed into the intestine and manually squeezed and emptied. These large ones will be wrapped inside and the other small intestines will be wrapped around the outside. It is really difficult to prepare. It needs to be washed like this until it is clean. The intestines being tangled and knotted can make it difficult. It was washed 3 times more and it was washed 5 times in total. Now the wrapping process will be done. Oily parts are attached first. They are attached as you see first, then they will be wrapped around. The small intestine is tied and wrapped longitudinally first. Small intestines are prepared by wrapping laterally for the outer layer. This way it looks quite heavy and big, but when cooked it will shrink very much. Kokorec was prepared with the remaining intestines thinner and longer. This is how the kokorec wrapping process is done. We will view the factory environment in the future. A stone stove will be prepared at home to cook kokorec. The stove is raised with wooden boards so that it is not on the ground. A square hearth is being prepared with cut pumice stones to make a fire. Fire furnace is prepared according to the length of steel skewers. A sheet plate is added to the base. Too much oil of kokorec will flow, it will accumulate here. Open parts are covered with soil to prevent fire from falling under. The fire pit is now ready to start a fire, starting with materials that will burn easily. Kokorec will be cooked slowly by burning oak wood. Kokorec are placed across the fire. It will take a long time to cook, 3 to 4 hours. If not slow cooked, it will burn on the outside and will remain raw inside. The water and oil remaining in the intestines need to flow. For this it is provided to flow by stabbing a skewer. After 4 hours, kokorec was cooked. As you can see, the oil and water flowed out and became very small. You have seen how it is prepared so far. Now let's go to kokorec restaurant in our neighborhood. Let's watch how to be served professionally. Here charcoal is used to cook kokorec. As I asked, the cooking time of these fabricated kokorec exceeds 4 hours. It will be prepared by sewing between bread and serving in the form of portions. Kokorec being sliced. Sliced kokras are fried on the grill. Slices of kokras cut into smaller pieces, fried again. Kokras to be put in bread is finely chopped. Sliced tomatoes, chopped onions, pickles are added to the serving plate.
Bunları tabak koyuyorsun.
Kokras is added and spices, salt, chili, thyme, cumin, black pepper. Finely chopped kokras and spices between bread. The table is being prepared. Ayran is usually added as a drink next to kokras, then the feast is ready. Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video.